That camera? Is that the MOS one? I have my friend.
Where you going?
I'm going to look for dummy.
Big outside.
What can I say?
Slam BK, that's tough. It looks good. It does, right? Is that wet? Oh, they're about to fight. He about to fight, he about to fight.
Think about a trip.
Look at that cute ass little car. I know who he is. That shit's hard. Hard part. That shit should have been rear wheel drive.
You Mondo right here?
See the real steppers? Them boys on the Regas. Oh yeah. Man, this damn Jeep. Step oh shit, Dawson too. Yo, Mango trying to park tomorrow?
Alright, Trey.
That's good, 5. You see that? That's tough. Tight shit.
Am I so crooked?
That shit is tough.
The Corby. They got the Corbies out.
Working.
That bitch clean.
Yeah, for real.
Damn, what the fuck that shit in the background?
Wait, what the fuck?
Where the
What
fuck
the
is
fuck
that?
is that? Hold on, check out the fit though. They blocking the fucking fit, bro. In the other spot. I'm trying to record the fit.
City. Rev City, we're gonna get in trouble.
No, we're not.
I'm gonna get tickets.
We're good, bro.
Look at him, look at him, 40. Wow. Look at him.
That's my type of shit. What that shit is? Don't hurt him. Don't hurt him, Monk. That's that.
They say Mexico the best. I don't get no rest. Pull up to the studio and eat it.
You think you got clearance in the bottom?
Fuck no. Can you review my car, please? Is it my slam lid?
Fuck the pedophiles. Kevin.
Mm-hmm.
Innovation. Clear. Because we see clearly.
Blue. Because we go blue balls on them.
Not that. Oh shit.
Yes.
Super shouldn't have got the height. The Eagle should have got the height.
That is the height.
There that boy go. Big outside. What the fuck? Big outside.
Oh, he took out the ATL.
Too low for fat hoes. You guys got it. They got it. What? And an F2. I'll be back for more. I can see Anthony on one of these. And move, bro. You're recording some real pressure.
God drop me all the time. And
Alright, vlogs with the squad, nigga. Anthony the cameraman. We got Nicolette but white. Nigga but woo! Nigga, what is that? Is the word. Word two. How do you zoom out in this bitch? Look at that. It's that oil money, bubbly. Oh, I talked to him. Woo. That's what that place said. Yes, sir.
Bro, if I ever got to take
On the Handycam.
I think she's talking about
you don't say nothing.
Thank you. Sorry, I got scared.
You scared? You should have stayed though. Fuck home.
I'm on the south side. I got two bad bitches wanna fuck me right now. I'm saying that when I walk in, the little hoe just get piped down. She said she never did this shit before. I'm about to change her life now. I'm about to change her life, young right now. I bought that hoe a bag and now she acting like my wife. Yeah, I switched the hoes, right now that little bitch will let's see I got that. And she know I spend that cash, so there ain't no reason for that hoe to frown. Yeah, I spend it. Yeah, when it come to money, bitch, yeah, I get it. If you wanna book me for a show, it's gon' cost a ticket. Don't complain about spending money on no whole little bitch on leak.
El grupo del amigo de él van acá, solo el grupo de ellos, solo se encarga.
Bro, Bliss shit is so tough.
Solo estaba pasando a decir par. A Edward.
Huh?
Sí, pero no.
Oh shit.